That truck has to return to the pits and is not allowed to run. Couldn't find your best places. So if you hear this twice, I make no apologies, but it's very, very, it erupts with noise. It really does. And it is a great way to start the show. The introduction parade. The guys then need to park their trucks up. They need to check their fuel systems. They will need to check all their braking. And a breathtaking show that we're looking forward to from Matt and Paul. And then it's time to bring the trucks out.
Just looking at one from Ruth, it just says, "Crush me." I do like.
Yep. Another one that says, "Squash me." Good look, good.
Yeah.
That's not good. But of course the drivers have a lot of safety features in there. They wear the full harness. I know Tony's got a seat in there that was designed to his shape, isn't it?
Exactly right. I mean, I can sit in the seat, but there's no way I could physically drive the truck. He does have to watch his waistline, yeah.
I'm sure. Hey, methanol. 45 yards to the gallon. We see Matt on his home turn. Absolutely.
George, let me show that.
I think this is terrific. You keep coming in, don't forget, grab yourself a pin on the entrance to the Sinecar Arena as long as you let us have it back. He's on the bank, looking over to the famous And how big is it? Is it 7.5 metres? It's got some serious power, 7.5 litres of Chevrolet, but it's a heavy truck, isn't it? And this is going to cause some damage going over those cars. Of course you do, that's what it's all about. I think you're a great man for bringing the right truck into the arena and showing us what they're capable of. Good luck today. CJ Murty is also with us driving Grim Reaper. He missed out on a drive last year. Karen, a lady driver, was behind the wheel.